Hey guys, so quick video for you on how you can reset your LG soundbar. So this really depends which soundbar you actually have. So when, let's say you have this one right here, you want to press mute button or press the minus button on the main body and AI Sound Pro key button remote control. If you have this one, press the Wi-Fi button on the soundbar for at least 5 seconds. Then when you go even further, you're gonna press minus button and the adaptive sound control. Then you have also again minus button and the standard button. Then you're gonna have minus button and standard button again for 5 seconds. Again minus and treble, minus and voice, minus and zero, or pause button on the soundbar and zero button on remote control. And this is how you can reset them, but it really depends which one you have. I don't know which kind of model you have, but this is how you're going to reset it. Minus, and then you're going to press something on the remote.